The Kiira vehicle plant is a manufacturing complex that sits on 100 acres of land with a production space approximately 65,000 square meters, which was conceptualized to have an initial installed capacity of 2,500 medium to heavy duty vehicles. That is mainly buses and trucks, with conventional internal combustion engine vehicles, as well as battery electric vehicles and other new energy variants produced here. Currently, the construction, tooling and furnishing stands at 80%.
Science, technology and innovation in the country, we've been trying to configure science for industrialization and development. And so, led by our champion, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, is very, very enthusiastic about science. He's really advocated, and this is a passion that he shares with us. We are intending to substitute imported mobility solutions. Huge chunk of our vehicles currently come from Japan, and then we have some from Europe and China a little. But we want to substitute those mobility solutions by making them locally. We are also leading the transition to e-mobility, to electric vehicles, away from the fossil fuels, and then catalyzing investment in the mobility industry. Motor vehicle industry is known as an industry of industries. You start one, then others come to feed into that one.
I've been deeply interested in this facility since I first saw and read of it at the media. That was about 2 years ago. And it really tickled my curiosity. My curiosity was tickled because we are committed to positioning and relating our economy from a resource-based one to a knowledge-based one. So we're much on the same trajectory as yourselves. And I guess what is useful is brought about through diplomatic effort as we forge links. Clearly, this is one area where that could happen. And so this, sits very well with what we came here to do. So not just to talk and listen and be heard, but to feel, see, and engage.